Generally, an individual may use reasonable force to defend her property against wrongdoers. But when does the use of force become unreasonable? The District of Columbia Court of Appeals considered this question in Gatlin v. United States. Susan Ferrechio, an education reporter, entered the main office of a Washington, D.C. charter school to interview the principal, Dr. Mary Anigbo. Brenda Gatlin, the office manager, had a student take Ferrechio to find Anigbo. Ferrechio asked the student questions as they walked. Gatlin then found them and explained that Anigbo had returned to her office and Ferrechio should meet her there. Back in the front office, Ferrechio continued questioning the student while she waited, until Gatlin told her not to talk to students. According to Ferrechio, after Anigbo returned, she immediately demanded to see Ferrechio's notes. When Ferrechio refused to hand over her notebook, Anigbo, Gatlin, and others in the office surrounded and attacked her, punching, kicking, and hitting her until they seized the notebook. They then physically removed Ferrechio from the school. After Ferrechio's editor called 911, police officers Poe and Best went to the school to investigate, and Ferrechio returned with a photographer and another reporter to retrieve her notebook. When the photographer took pictures of Gatlin and Anigbo, they attacked the newspaper employees. As the officers attempted to intervene, Gatlin and Anigbo pushed them. Gatlin and Anigbo were arrested and charged with assault. At trial, Anigbo testified that she assaulted Ferrechio to retrieve the notebook, which belonged to Anigbo. The trial court ruled that the notebook wasn't Anigbo's and denied defense counsel's request for a jury instruction regarding defense of property. Gatlin and Anigbo were convicted of assault and appealed to the D.C. Court of Appeals.